Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy Shenarigan, and here we talk about everything DIY, decor, and a little bit of lifestyle and luxury. So if you like to see and hear anything about those topics, keep watching. So today showing you, or at least right now, I'm showing you what my windows are looking like right now and what I've done to kind of step it up a little bit. We did add a piece of wood on top to make the windows look a little bit more grand. And if you could see over on my husband's side, he did the same thing, and it really makes the window stand out quite a bit. All right, so this is the first coat of primer. These are the two things that goes on the wall that I was telling you about in my office. I wonder if he's going to put some type of filler right there. I don't know. Maybe he's just going to flip it over and we're not going to see the other one. But this is the first set. So I'm hoping that with the second one, there you go. Now you can really see the wood, you know. Finished wood or plastic is really expensive right now, so he's using pieces of wood that he already had, or the inexpensive just regular wood that was not finished. So that way, let me see if he put it on the back. Let me see if you can see. See, yeah, there you go. He used this type of wood, and we're saving money. So no one's going to see that side, but I'm going to ask to see if he can put a filler there. He's going to be like, come on now, babe. But you gotta have it right. You gotta have it right. So let's go into the house and let's look at the wall. So now, put the light on. Haven't updated the curtains as of yet, but you can see how it doesn't look as grand as before without the added piece. But it's really going to look nice once we put it up there. I am also going to insert a picture of the curtains that I bought. I bought them from Macy's. They were a little pricey. I really hesitated. I was like, do I want to buy something curtains that are over $100? But I did that. Yeah. So let's see. So these are the curtains, and right now I'm just looking to see, just putting them up there just to see what it will look like, if it will really make the room look a little bit lighter, a little bit more grand, and bring out the windows a tad bit. I am a white person. I love the color white. I think it looks really clean, really slick, and I wanted to have curtains that would not take away from the pattern of the floor. My floor has so much pattern in it, and I didn't want my curtains to be as busy as my floor. So I opted to have white and blue curtains from Macy's. They were quite expensive. I thought two came in a pack and it only came with one panel. Quite upset about that, but it's okay. You know, it's here. So before I purchase the second panel, I just want to make sure I like it. Right now, I am just adjusting it. I'm going to steam it. I'm going to iron it. Because it is quite wrinkled, and then you will be able to see the final product in a sec. So here are the curtains. Again, I like the way it looks. I could have purchased another panel for that window, but to match what's going on in the curtains in my husband's office, and he has one panel per window to make the room look a little bit more bigger and it won't be as heavy. I wanted to do that. You can see the other window. I don't have the other panel, but at least you can see that it really looks good with the extra wood, white wood or panel that is on top of the window. And the brightness of the curtain really allows the room to look brighter. The other curtains were just a little bit too dark, and it wasn't standing out a tad bit. So I want you to comment and let me know if you like this updated view, because I am going to another project. My office is now done. Also, right now, what I'm doing is I'm looking at both sides to make sure they both match from different angles. So from the angle facing my door, the blues match, the white matches, so
And
thank you
the
so much for
chairs match.
watching. Again, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this new office. So newly decorated, a little bit of a DIY office. I am loving it still. Thank you so much and peace.